I think she heard me put the camera on. Who am I talking about? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Could be anyone. Okay. Get out of the way just a little bit. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Come on, Asia. Asia. Anyway, this is an unboxing of December. Are we still in December? Yeah, I think so. December's Witch's Roots box from the Witch's Moon. Let me show you something here though, if you can see it. Cat isn't in the way. Up here, what does that say? December 3rd. What is today? December 18th. And only 2 days ago did it shift from, what was it? I don't know, label made or something like that to, we shipped it, by the way. So, yeah. I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know who it is, who's responsible, but, come on. How many days was that? It was, I think I stopped counting at 11. 11 days in post office limbo. So I really don't know what's going on. But anyway, this is the Witch's Roots box. I love their boxes. I love that because I love herbs. And I'll take a little bit of a peek, which is cardboard box with neutral paper. So there you go. And a little information sheet tied in hemp rope, as always. And what is the theme this month? It is Seeds of Empowerment. Is that seeds? Okay. That's seeds. We'll put that to the side for now, and let's unbox this together. I have my tea already, chamomile, because this is nighttime. I'm filming at night. Cat after dark. Okay. First thing we have here is the Seal of Solomon, fifth pentacle of the moon. It is a sigil kind of thing. I've only ever seen these before in high ceremonial magic. I forget the guy's name. He had 3 names. David Michael Craig Michael David, something like that. I forget what it was. He had a book and I read it. But it's a lot of you can tell high ceremonial magic usually has a lot of Hebrew writing, at least. Key of Solomon, that's from the Old Testament in the Bible, or the what do you want to call it, the Torah. So I don't know much about it. I know you can cut this out and use it somehow, but I'll have to read up more on that. It serveth to have answers in sleep. Now that's interesting, because I'm about to go to sleep. I hope, because I have chamomile tea. I'm sure I'll be out like a light as soon as I start drinking that. So we have that. And the herb this month is jasmine. Go up a little bit. Jasmine. Element water. Beautiful artwork, as always, by A.E. Alden. I hear my cat scratching. My other cat, Stormy. And that's the information sheet for that. Let's set that right back here. And here is the jasmine. You can tell because it's all flowery looking. Jasmine buds. Nice big packet. Okay, well, let's do candle next because I'm just going to be a cretin and rip this because I didn't bring a knife. It is like a kind of almost a cornflower blue. I just noticed that my nails, I haven't done them yet, I'm sorry. We had like 18 inches of snow yesterday. So I've been shoveling and chopping wood and hauling firewood and things like that. It does have a scent to it. I think they put some oil on it this time. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do. It does have a slight scent to it. A little soapy, flowery almost. And there's that. It's a very peaceful box so far. Very, I don't know. It doesn't feel wintry, that's for sure. And we have an oil in here. I just went through and organized all my oils today. All didn't organize them. I put all the same size ones in a box, and I have so many. I have so many oils. I really need to start using them up because oil doesn't last forever. If you didn't know, it's not. Oh, this is leaking. Okay, so see, let's see how it smells. I like it. It's a little like perfumey, and it's pleasant. It's Star Herald. Okay, so we're gonna let's put this over here on its little bag and wipe your hands on your snow pants and keep going. We have incense in a bag. Yay! Because, I've also gone through my incense lately. I have so many of them. And when they're loose and you don't know what they are and you have to find a way to label them because you don't use them all like in the same day, you might want to go back and use some. So I'm glad to see this in a little bag. Plastic's not good for the environment, but there has to be some way that we can have them labeled and contained instead of just thrown loose in a big drawer somewhere. This is a stress relief. Yes, we all need that this year, but especially getting near the holidays. And we have a stone in a pink organza bag. And this, I would guess, is a stone that I have had a history with. I bought an aqua aura, which I'm almost positive what this is, in a state. I think it was Tennessee. It might have been Virginia. I don't know. I was traveling from New Jersey to Mississippi. And I bought a necklace of a round aqua aura. And I never had such bad luck in my life with that necklace. It was just awful. The second I put it on, my life went to hell. And I blame the necklace, really. Of course, I didn't know much about crystals then. And I really should have cleansed it and, made it my own, but I didn't. And I just put it on. It was just full of, I don't know. Well, it's a quartz, so it amplifies. And it was just terrible. But I've come to appreciate aqua aura now a little bit more. I'm still a little leery of it. It's like when you get the death card in tarot, you're like, oh. And then you're, oh, okay, it doesn't mean, you're going to die. So that's my relationship with aqua aura. And we have another bag, and this, I don't want to open this because it might be a mojo bag. I'm not sure, but there's a stone in it. It smells like rose petals, and I'm going to open it. Oh, don't spill the oil. No, it's already leaky. Okay, thank you. And I can't untie it. How about, untie it first. This one was tied. The other one wasn't. What this stone is, I would say, what do you think? Asia, what do you think this is? You don't care? What's that? Do you know? No? How about that? I think it's rough moonstone. I would have to agree with you. I think it's also rough moonstone. So I'm not sure why it's in a little bag by itself with rose petals. We got 2 little stones this month. And I think the last thing in the box is, that's why she's here. She wants to see it. Oh, she got stuck to the, and okay, spilled the Star Herald all over. That's right, take a bath. Here, I'll open the box so you can sit in it, okay? You keep stepping on that. Stop it. I'll just keep stepping where you don't want me to. So, star seeds. These are, I'm assuming, a lot. Yeah, I've got a few of these. Oh, she's just like destructo tonight. I've gotten these size cards. I think they're oracle cards. Purple plastic. Star seeds. How to use the cards. Close your eyes. Ask the universe to guide you. Shuffle whilst, I like that. Focusing on your life. Pick one card from the deck. Seeds of wisdom. And take advice from them. And don't ignore it. How about that? So, they're very pretty. They're very spacey. Kind of a nebula look to them. And they're in alphabetical order right now. But you just cleanse them and you... with sage or Palo Santo, and yeah, it's just starseed. That's interesting. I'm not sure if they mean the same kind of star seeds that I've been reading about. Like if you're what are some of them? Lemurian or okay, she just ran downstairs for no reason. Lemurian or I forget all the other ones. There's so many of them. You know, Atlantean or Pleiadian, or I've read up on them, and the most characteristics that I line up with would be Syrian for the star Sirius in the night sky, the brightest star, dog star Polaris, you know, blah blah blah. So I think I would be considered a Syrian. I'm not sure. Where is that paper? Okay. Seeds of Empowerment. I'm just gonna see if I'm right on all these. I'm not gonna read all this to you because that's just kind of boring. I don't know. You can read it yourself if you like. There's Jasmine. Well, that's labeled, so I got that right. Jasmine Herbal Grimoire Artwork. Starseeds deck. Sachet of Peace. That's what that was. Herbs are lavender, ground sage, rose petals, and lemon balm. Ooh, nice. Also included rough moonstone. Yes, I was right about that. Well, Asia was right about that, not me. Aqua aura tumbled stone. Of course, it's a water stone. It looks very watery. Stress relief ritual incense sticks. They don't really tell you what's in them. I didn't even smell them. Duh. Busy talking about the packaging. I didn't even smell them. Is my stress relieved? I think it could be. It's clean. It's a clean smell, but it's not like real soapy, overpowering clean. That could really distract you and remind you of chores. That kind of clean. No, it's gentle and it's clean. I think it would work. Tranquil Eve mini spell candle. We have hand rolled Tranquil Eve. It doesn't say that maybe it had some of that other oil on it. Star Herald Magical Anointing Oil. Chamomile, jasmine, lavender herbs. Lemurian quartz. And sandalwood, chamomile, and jasmine oils. So that smells pretty good. And the Fifth Pentacle of the Moon, Book of Shadows reference page. We'll see of Solomon reference page with wonderful information. And that is it for the Seeds of Empowerment December Witch's Roots box. It does say December on there, right? I can't read what that says. Almost looks like September. I don't know. Anyway, that's what it is. I have to say, this is my last Witch's Roots for a while. Like I said, I cleaned out. I knew I had a lot of oils. I had so many oils. I have so many necklaces. I have goddess necklaces of pewter ones. I have tons of incense and little mini spell candles. It's partially my fault that I have all this, and it grew over time because I wasn't able to use a lot of it when I got it because I was moving and just like a whole bunch of stuff was going on. And I'm like, okay, I need to stop this for a while, and just I'll go back to it if I can, if I'm able to. But I have stopped the witch's roots and moon, and oh, I saw the bounty pendant this month, and I'm like, oh, serious FOMO. It's so gorgeous. If you see a review or unboxing of the December witch's bounty, it is just gorgeous. I love it, and I'm kind of wishing they put that on their little store, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm taking a little break from these guys because I have so many oils and I have lots of herbs. I'll show you my herb cabinet someday, and I'll show you all my oils and everything. I'm just not quite there yet. So for a while, this will be my last one. I'm really heartbroken to do that, but I really have to get a hold on this, and you know, not be a hoarder kind of thing, and use some of them up, and then I'll get back to it. So enough rambling. I'm ready for my tea, and I'm ready for bed. And thank you for watching. And if I don't see you guys, have a wonderful, wonderful Yule or Christmas or Saturnalia or whatever the hell you celebrate at this time of year. Okay. From Asia and Stormy and me, this is Kat, and have a good night.